In this review, we will be discussing in details about the best camping cooking gear available in the market today. This list was created based on my viewpoints as well as the cost situation in the market. So whether you need best camping cooking gear, this list will show the products available for that. If you want more information and price, please check the product link below the description. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates. Buying Guide present Top 6 Best Camping Cooking Gear. Let's get started.
Purchasing the perfect product for your usage is our topmost priority. We aim to give away our best guidelines for you, the viewers only, so you won't hesitate or get confused while selecting the products from the market. Thanks for staying with us.
Number 1. Wolf and Grizzly M1 Fire Grill. Simple is best. Aged beautifully. Honest materials are Wolf and Grizzly's design principles. They don't just create a product to put one out into the world, but because they can create the best there is. The M1 Fire Grill is a compact grill that rolls into an included carrying pack and sits right over the fire. The grill area is 11 by 11.5 inches and can hold up to 30 pounds. The M1 can stand at 3 different heights, flat 6 or 8 inches. Adam never leaves home without this. The ability to travel with a compact and easy to set up grill is crucial for outdoor cookery. This is the most compact and practical quality grill I have found to date. Number 2. Camshaft Versatop Portable Flat Top Grill. A grill over the fire or camp stove isn't the only way to feed everyone at camp. The flat top is chef's secret weapon. Often overlooked, the flat top can be one of the most versatile cooking instruments in the kitchen. You can cook a full meal for many people with no pots or pans. The Versatop Portable Flat Top Grill from Camshaft comes with a griddle, but can be swapped out for a grill box or a pizza oven. To 16,000 BTU burners power the 416.5 square inch cook surface. The true seasoned cooktop is non-stick and ready to feed family and friends. Number 3. Stanley Perfect Brew Pour Over Set. The Stanley Perfect Brew Pour Over Set makes coffee simple. There should be a very small barrier between you and caffeine in the morning. Cleanup is a cinch. The Perfect Brew has no filters to remember or to throw in garbage. The included removable metal filter unscrews from the base and rinses easily with its wide base and narrow spout. The pour over can sit on top of everything from vacuum bottles or massive mugs. It fits perfectly on the included camp mug. The comfortable handle and included lid keep your Java hot while you enjoy the peaceful morning air. Number 4. Stanley Even Heat Camp Pro Cook Set. Pots and pans ain't glamorous, but you are not going to get far without them. The Even Heat Camp Pro Cook Set from Stanley comes with 2 pots and lids and a skillet, a spatula, spoon, cutting board, and 2 trivets round out the kit. This all-inclusive cook set has everything you need to prepare an elegant meal at the campsite. Everything fits into itself, creating one high-quality compact kit. The 3-ply 18-8 stainless steel construction arm. The pot is probably similar to what you have in your kitchen at home. The 3 durable bottoms give nice even heat. No matter how much your flame is blowing around the wind, when you get home just throw the whole set in the dishwasher. Number 5. GSI Outdoors Pioneer Table Set. You will need to eat something, and it should probably be as high quality as the food you are making. The GIS Pioneer Table Set is made from heavy gauge enameled steel and has been clean hardened twice to over 1000 degrees. The 4 cups, bowls and plates placed and stacked as a set. They come in a bright red or forest green. Pick wisely, as they will probably last you decades. Number 6. ARB 108024442 Portable Phrase. High quality food starts with high quality ingredients. Keeping everything fresh is important. The Zero Dual Zone freezer from ARB plugs into DC or AC power to keep your veggies cold and meat is frozen until their big debut. The ability to have frozen goods and ice cold beers at the campsite is some real leverage stuff, and the camp chefs the train. Now you can even disconnect your fridge cooler and take it with you to the beach. The Zero Dual Zone has 2 compartments, one 47-quart fridge and one 25-quart freezer. The freezer compartment can be removed for one 73-quart zone. DC power inlets at either and keep things charged. A control panel and USB app let you know the power status and temperatures of your precious cargo.
If you watched our videos, please don't forget to like and share our videos so that others can get benefit from it. For more updates and notifications, please subscribe to our channel by clicking the bell icon.